I saw Dr. Francis about a year ago. I had a disc replacement surgery. I was terrified at first. However, Dr. Francis said something very reassuring to me. He said, "I'll give you my best." That kind of gave me the go-ahead in my head. I was to the point where I almost couldn't walk. My disc was so bad. But here I am a year later, and I'm an avid weightlifter. I can do anything. I walk for miles a day at work, probably at least 10 miles a day. So anybody that's scared to do this, don't worry. Dr. Francis has got it. He's been doing this for a very long time. I have no pain at all, zero pain. In fact, as soon as I woke up from surgery, they said get up and walk, and I was like, what, really? But as soon as I got up from surgery, I was good. They gave me a walker and a back brace, and after a couple minutes of walking, I was like, wait a minute, I don't even need this. I feel great. But so anybody out there that's questioning getting back surgery, Dr. Francis is the way to go. I tell everyone that has back problems that there's nobody else